Previously in our last episode, and just ahead, OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats. G here from OG Creations. This one was a complete bitch.
You are such a bitch!
This past fall, when I started planning out what my holiday videos were going to be, I really wanted to create tie-dye on a Speedsuit. Who wouldn't want a onesie that you could wear in public? It took forever to find one that was labeled 100% cotton, and the delivery turned out to be a month.
A month?
So I should have known that I was damned because it was stuck in customs.
One way or another, we're gonna find ya. We're gonna get ya.
When it arrived, I wasn't surprised. I was pissed. It was 80% polyester, 20% unknown fabric,
Stiff as a board,
and was going to be completely undyeable. I said, fuck it, let's try it out and see what would happen.
What's the worst that can happen?
Total destruction from mountain to shore!
I have some commercial polyester dyes, and maybe I can make something work.
Say, work it, hunty!
But you will see that this will end up being a trial and error. This video is filled with bad ideas and endless fails.
You're going to make a mistake tonight.
Let's just get started. So my initial thought for this Speedsuit was to use the same colors and technique that I did on my Valkyrie sweater I created last winter. It starts with a base color of neon green. With the RIT Pro Line formulas, you bring a large pot of water just below boiling. You then add in 1 tablespoon of detergent and 1 cup of kosher salt. Once it's incorporated, you add in your dye and you bring it back to a simmer. You then add in your Speedsuit and stir for 1 hour. Once washed, I was already unhappy with this. The color was not neon green, it was more... I started to tie it up using the Geode technique. I gather the material into wadded up small sections and secure it using waxed thread known as sinew. I move down an inch or so and secure it again. I repeat this for about an hour and a half. Since this color was so light, I thought that I would run with it and maybe make a light pastel color of a Speedsuit. I know that there is some cotton in this, so I wanted to test it to see what would happen if I used my Procyon dyes. So I pre-treated the fabric by soaking it in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes before being set aside for 24 hours until it was practically dry. I then apply colors of blue violet and raven black and set it aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. I then rinsed it and dried it, and I didn't actually hate it. I thought one more tie up and add in some black and it should be okay. So again, I used the RIT Proline Formula black dye and simmered for another hour. This time, the big mistake was I didn't even think about the fact that the wax thread would melt in my simmering water. The pot was completely coated now in black incorporated wax. Even after 6 attempts of boiling soapy water in it, it was so trash I just had to throw the whole pot away. I rinsed the Speedsuit and then I threw it in the washing machine. With the Proline Formula dyes, you wash your items on an extremely high heat, so I used hot water with an extended rinse cycle. Once it was washed, dried, and ironed, I placed it in my inventory and added it to the Etsy store ready for purchase. You can get this shit and other items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Now look at this. It is nowhere near what I wanted, but I had to throw my hands up and say it's good enough. I'm still on the lookout for that 100% cotton Speedsuit that I thought I had purchased. Maybe I can find it one day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone. Plus, it really does help with the algorithm for new viewers to find my channel, and that's the whole point, but you're hearing this from every single content creator out there right now, so do us all a favor and comment away. As always, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.